Hello there and welcome to Writers Coaching. We are running the first of a series of events this weekend. It's focusing specifically on the various things that you can do to grow your email list using reader magnets. And what I wanted to do was give a very warm welcome to everybody who's joined the group so far. We will be opening the doors in the next few hours. I will show you a little sneaky peek inside just now so you can see the kind of things that you are going to experience in the coming few days, and also get access to our free resource for today. There will be a series of free resources throughout the event. Today's event is a list of reader magnet ideas. So you don't have to sit there thinking, oh, what can I do? There's a whole list for you to pick from. And I'll show you in the Facebook group where to access that and where to respond for all the little parts of the challenge. This is a little insight as to the flywheel, how if we put the focus of your ideal reader in the center, you can grow your email audience. First off here, we're talking about creating your ideal reader magnet. This uses funnel or landing pages, which sound really technical, and they can be, but the way that we're going to show you is actually minimal technical and tech capability needed. We'll show you step by step how to set up, what to include, etc. Email marketing, so you're building an email list of your ideal readers, you're going to be sending newsletters, you're going to use email marketing. How you can also use reader magnets to build your ARC readers and advanced teams and use your email automate emailer to do that. How you can use newsletter swaps to 5x your audience of ideal readers, and how you engage your social media marketing, your organic marketing, to promote your reader magnet. And this is why we call it a flywheel, because at any point you need a little bit of a touch point on each one to make this spin around and keep your ideal reader at the focus and grow your email list. This is the Crafting Your Ideal Reader Magnet challenge group. This is where all of the challenge will be run. This, as I've said, is at the moment a free resource. You can join these events for free. It will cost you nothing, and we include the resources as well. And this is a little thank you to everyone that signs up to our email list. In effect, this free resource is my equivalent of a reader magnet, or in marketing terms, a lead magnet. So access this group and you'll see inside, oh, this isn't me going live right now. You will see all the content that we've added, and what I want to do is give you a little rundown on how to access the key points. Is this event is right now. There is at the top featured pinned, there's a member poll. So it gives a sense of the level of capability that the majority of the members are at, so that I can fully understand how I can serve you best over this free event. We have a series of guides, and within each of those you can complete all the little challenge tasks and make sure that you're moving from newsletter newbie to confidently growing and managing your ideal reader email list. Apologies, I have a little bit of a cold. Apologies if my voice is a little croaky at you. Let's skip to the guides. You'll find them at the top tab here. This is the section that you'll want to be focusing on in the next few days. As I said, we have a bonus resource, Reader Magnet Ideas for Authors. This is a community. We are helping each other to grow. We are bouncing ideas off each other. We are sharing to the group to answer any questions you may have, but also give you some feedback, reassure you, build your confidence, anything you need to help you get your reader magnet out there, growing your email list. The poll link is here. This takes you straight through. This is, as I said, pinned at the top of the group as well. There's questions here that help me define where you're at. Guide 1 starts here, and each item below is a part of Guide 1 until we get to Guide 2, which is the following event. We don't need to worry about anything beyond Guide 1 at the moment. This is all about getting to know people in the group and the level of experience you have with reader magnets, email lists, newsletters, social media, digital marketing as a whole. Every time you've completed a task, you've introduced yourself, you click done. It will give you a little tick mark on the side that says that you've completed those. And when you've completed all of them, the bar at the top tells you how far you've got on the guide so that you're completing all the steps that you need to take to succeed in creating a reader magnet that will speak to your ideal readers. This is the only live of the Reader Magnet Method event this weekend that will actually be public. Any questions you ask in further events will be within the confines of the group, so very much a safe space to ask any questions you need. Tomorrow, the key focus is going to be on understanding your ideal reader. The key points here is if you try and talk to everybody, then you will probably miss the mark and speak to nobody. It really does benefit you to have a greater understanding of your ideal reader, to understand what drives them, understand how you can connect with them. That is absolutely key to essentially everything we do. Digital marketing is so profoundly important in terms of even before writing your ideal reader magnet, understand who you're writing it for and why. There will be further resources released tomorrow for that. Today, we're going to be going through the elements of a compelling reader magnet. This whole weekend is getting you ready so that in the coming week, you will have a reader magnet ready for the following challenge so that you can incorporate it into the next steps of your digital marketing on the flywheel. The elements of a compelling reader magnet, the key points here is knowing what's going to resonate. And part of this is already having an open dialogue and open communication with people that read your books, people who are your ideal reader, who is that audience, and what elements do you need to have within that to make them give their email address in exchange for the reader magnet. The final point is that you have that reader magnet consistent with your author brand. You have something that's recognizably you, something that stands out in a crowded market in a way that's in line with your genre, but also individual to you. So we'll cover those on Sunday. If you want to join us live, we welcome it. And we also welcome any questions that you have, because any questions that you have during this event helps me to create the thing that you actually need to help you succeed in growing your email audience. This is what you'll find in the guides section of the Facebook group. I will also send details to people that have signed up on the email list. We have a bit of a lag, if you like. There's a good number of people signed up already in the newsletter, but they're not added yet to the Facebook group. If you've not already opted into the newsletter, you won't get the access details into the Facebook group. Any questions, just give me a shout, hello@writerscoaching.com, or within the group if you've accessed the group already. If you've signed up and you've not yet received the email, check your spam folder and make sure we're added to the VIP or your whitelist so that you get the important emails that tell you how to access the resources and the lives. This is the reader magnet ideas. I just wanted to make sure that you were able to see that in the guide, in the Facebook group, because that's the only place that we're holding this resource, is in that guide for now. So thank you very much for joining us. And if you have not already registered, there is still time. So get ready for crafting your ideal reader magnet this weekend. You can join the live sessions. They will be available for replay for around 5 days. If you're late registering or you're busy at the point that we're live, you can rewatch it in the following few days. Make sure that you have accepted the double opt-in. If you want these resources, Facebook group doors will be opening in the next few hours, and everybody will be getting excited and getting in there and introducing themselves to each other and making this a success for as many authors as we can free. I will catch you tomorrow in just over 24 hours time.